Assalamualaikum everyone. I want to talk in Urdu, but I decided to talk in English. And my other videos will be in English, and my older videos are also in English. So basically, we are learning the skills, the many skills, the AI and other skills also. So we have to deal with our clients. I decided to talk in English. So basically, all the things we are gonna talk about today. Um, I will I will talk about every industry. Like my today's target is art students, and in the further more details, I will talk about the business owners of every business owners like real estate, the clinic owners, the different teachers, the lawyers, the everyone who are not belongs to the AI. I will talk about everyone. So I can give the hint here. When we talk about those industries, I will talk about. So this is the time when we are talking about our clients. So this is just a hint. Let's get back to our topic for the student. So I wanna talk about the students. Why I'm gonna talk about the student? Because I saw many videos where everyone said, let me clarify. I talk about the students who learn AI basically. So everyone now gets the buzzword, the AI, and from very beginning, from a year ago or 6 months ago, or from that, they learn, they decided to learn AI. Okay, so they knows AI and jumped into the AI and start learning. So I will and everyone the in every video they get stuck because every day any new news in AI becomes bigger because YouTubers make this and highlight the news as this will gonna take over the jobs, this will gonna do something like crazy. So basically I will tell you that you don't have to be panicked. First, take a break, sit, and learn strategically. I will talk in three levels. The first level is not the top level. I will talk about the beginner level, beginner from the first. Beginners are those who decided to learn AI and they start learning AI. This is the time and this is the stage where beginners really get worried about the new things because they want to jump and forget about the basics and jump on the advanced level things. So you don't need to do this. You have to be learn one thing the time. In the time when you have to uh, that was the time when you learn the thing a basic thing like about machine learning about very basic so you learn in 1 year, but right now as much the things are evolving very fastly, you have to learn this in a 6 month. When you decide to learn the thing in 6 months, you have to shorten the time and learn the faster. So this is a thing, one thing that you have to bring this into your mind. Now you have to take care of the time. Okay, so learn faster. This is the one rule. The second level is the middle level where they learn AI, the basics of AI, and now they decided where should they gonna do because AI is vast field. You can go towards machine learning, you can go towards the deep learning, you can go in the generative AI, data science. AI is vast field. You can go anywhere. So you have to decide the industry in the middle level. Okay, first you learn the basics of all the industries of all the things, then decide where you excite more. Okay, so middle in the middle, students get stuck again where we have to go. Every new day they learn AI that's come. Okay, I quit the machine learning. The machine learning some advanced steps, the some newer model training techniques. So quit them and go towards the AI agent because I hear this news about AI agents are on the boom. So and in the second stage they confuse and waste their time obviously. And the third thing at the level 3 is the advanced stage where the student learn the basics choose their industry, and now they are stuck again because they have to worry about and they get really much worried about the clients. This is natural, very natural things. You have to worry, but not much yet, because you have to learn about the strategy. You have to learn, you have to think about the strategy. Think of strategy. Like, oh, which is the market? Where will be our client? What will be our audience? So this is the time where things are getting very much changed. You learn from the YouTube, like me, as I learn, as I watch many videos, like where in every video everyone talk about in different things. So basically I will tell you the right thing, so I will talk about the everything step by step. Now I just talk about the three levels for the students. So then in my next videos I will talk about each level in detail. So stay tuned for more videos and learn the truth behind every single video, every single news that you heard about the buzzword of AI agents or your job is gone. So I will talk about the everything that you have to learn and you wanna learn, because I know everyone is stuck right there. Thank you.